Hey, what's up? It's Clayton J, and today we are making a vlog. Today's vlog is gonna be Iowa blizzard. Yes, we're gonna have a blizzard today. Finally, it's snowing. It's supposed to snow at, I think, like 6 a.m. today, but it did not. So I don't really think it's gonna have that much snow, but we are going to vlog it and show you how tonight, how it looks, and then tomorrow, hopefully, it's gonna be boom, a lot. We'll see. And then maybe we'll have a snow day tomorrow, and we'll play and have fun after work. Here's how my car looks. This is how my car looks. There is no snow on it yet. This is how everything looks at the moment. And there's not that much snow yet. You can see it is snowing. Alright guys, it is morning. I'm heading to work, but we can look outside and see how bad the blizzard is. I took a little sneak peek. I don't think it's that bad, but let's go look. Ready? Yeah, that's not that deep. Oh, my car didn't even get covered. Okay, it's not that bad at all. Oh, it is deep here, though. It is pretty deep here. So, we are at a hill. We are going to go sledding like we usually do because we're trying to make the most of it out of winter, since winter's about over. It's January, then February, and then boom, winter's over, so we got to make the most out of it. We are in the Walmart parking lot. Alright, on the other side of this hill
it
is
gets
an
deeper.
Amazing thing. So watch me run up the hill.
Okay. Oh, he thinks he's so cool. Where are you at? Oh,
Oh, I don't think I'm doing this. Like, the gift. This is crazy. Okay. So first of all, look at these. This is a snow plower. This is what we want to go down. Holy frick, I am like a story tall. Look, I'm like the same tall. We are like the same tall.
Give me it, I'll go if you hand me it.
Really?
Yeah.
The sewer is literally right there. This is crazy.
Will I get hurt or no?
To be completely honest, probably. Allison! My leg is completely, look, my leg got stuck in that hole.
Wait, I think I'm gonna
Let me go down already. So now we're at the bottom. Look, yeah, oh shit. That is completely water still. Look how big that hill is. Holy mother of pearl, you're gonna die. Wait, let me get a better view. This is literally water. That's a sewer. Okay, you can go.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
That is really fucking scary. If you die, I am very sorry.
Look at that boulder.
This boulder? Okay, that boulder is big. Okay, boulder dead.
Am I gonna get hurt?
Probably. Oh my god, see, look how big that is.
You'll go after?
Yeah, if you don't die.
Are there cars looking?
No, come on.
Yes, there is.
Obviously, we're in the Walmart parking lot.
Let them pass first. Okay, 1,
2. Oh, that was water. That's water.
Water, help! I'm in water! I'm out! Oh, shit! Okay, there you go.
You want to try it one more time?
No, you have to go now.
That hill from us is literally as tall as a house.
Well, I like this tripod. My hands don't.
Yeah, I know. That's why I like the tripod.
Because I definitely fell in the water.
Thank you, Max, for the tripod.
Thank you. Yes, it works so good. Yes, I know. That's water right there. 1, 2, 3, jump, bud. Oh, shit. Okay, it's so scary when you're up there. But it's really fun. No! No, go start from the top.
It's a bulldozer. It's a bulldozer.
A bulldozer?
You ready?
Throw it in the water. Oh. Here, button, start from the top where I did.
This is scary.
I know, but it's not once you let go. You just gotta let go.
right here?
No. Go, bud. Oh my god.
Not the way I was planning. It's scary up there.
Like,
Try it again.
I literally did it. You're acting like a baby. I'm usually the scared one. I don't know what's happening with you. Oh, shit. Are you okay?
Rough.
What?
The wind is rough.
Okay, stop playing. Okay, just go. Close your eyes and go. Are you okay? I'll come over. Oh my god, you're probably freezing over here. There you go. Alright, do you want me to go one more time? Oh, are you okay? Oh my god. We have a sloth running away. A sloth, I repeat.
Okay.
What?
Look at this.
Wait, you're literally in a hole. You could run from the cops and hide right
Yeah,
here.
that's my hiding spot from the cops are.
Okay, do you want me to go again or do you want to go?
Brutal. Look at these hands. Brutal
Not
hands.
even hands at this point. Here, bud.
Oh, I can't even hold it.
You take it, I'll be back.
Brutal. I'm not happy. It's really freaking scary. This is definitely higher than a house. This is how I look. This is how tall I am. This is how it looks to me. See, look guys. So look, that's my waist. That's how big the snow is to me. It's really brutal. Like look, I step, and then it goes. Okay, I'm ready.
I was higher when I was over there. Oh, my butt is cold. Can we go home?
You don't want to try it one more time?
No,
Okay.
I'm in a lot of pain.
Yeah, me too.
It hurts. I can't carry it. My butt, it's on fire.
I can't carry it.
No, I can't.
My hands are on fire. Let's go this way. My car. We are at safety. Oh, where are you, Allison?